Good evening, students. I myself, Nitesh Tiwari. I shall be discussing the questions of inorganic chemistry of JEE Mains, that is AIEEE. Question number 61 of code S. It is from periodic table. The elements given are calcium, barium, sulfur, selenium and argon. We have to arrange them in the increasing order of their first ionization enthalpy or first ionization energy rather. We all know that metals have got lower value of ionization energy, and in a period as we move from left to right with increase in non-metallic character, value of ionization enthalpy or ionization energy will increase. Since barium and calcium, they are metals, or they are rather alkaline earth metals, therefore they have got low value of ionization enthalpy. And selenium and sulfur, they are members of oxygen family which have got distinctly non-metallic character, while argon, it is noble gas, and we all know that noble gases have got the highest value of ionization enthalpy because of their stable inert gas configuration. Thus, we can say that the order of ionization enthalpy is barium, calcium, selenium, sulfur and argon. Barium has got least ionization energy or enthalpy. Then calcium has got much more ionization enthalpy as compared to barium because of its relatively lower size. As we all know that ionization energy, it will decrease in a group as we move from top to bottom. Therefore barium, it has got least ionization enthalpy. Then we have got calcium. These two have got metallic character, therefore they have got low values of ionization energy. Then selenium and sulfur, they have got much more non-metallic character, therefore the value of their ionization enthalpy is greater than that of metals. And argon, we all know it's a inert gas, therefore it has got the highest value, or rather highest value of ionization enthalpy in periodic table. Thank you.